welcome back to the Oven Cook. Today I'm going to do some chicken. Shocker, I know, but obviously you know I like chicken. So what I'm going to do is, first of all, I'll show you this one, is get the heat on. A little bit of fry light in the pan. And what I've got some unsmoked bacon. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to cook this until it's nice and crispy. Okay, so we've got our bacon done. Put it on this tissue to drain the excess oil out of the bacon. So we're going to put that to one side. We've got a chicken. So all I'm going to do with these, I'm just going to slice the tops. A little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, some Italian garlic seasoning. Okay, so we've got the pan on again. We'll have a little bit of olive oil, some olive butter, get the chicken in. Some clear honey, take these out and put these in the oven. A little bit of fry light. A little bit of spinach. Turn the heat off, and that'll do for that. Okay, so we're going to make up a little coleslaw type thing. So I've just got some carrots. Got some little cherry tomatoes. Bit of courgette. Bit of red cabbage. Bit of white cabbage. Red pepper. Spring onions. You'll have bacon. Some cheddar cheese. And some mayo. A little taster. Just pop that in the fridge, and then we'll have a little plate up in about half an hour. Okay, so there we go. Mr. and Mrs. Urban's dinner for tonight. We've got our chicken. It was done in some olive oil, olive butter and some honey with some Italian seasoning, salt and pepper, and some salad. Well, not salad, it's a lot of coleslaw salad with courgettes, carrots, tomatoes, white and red cabbage, some cheddar cheese and some mayo, and rested on a bed of wilted spinach. So this is going to be really tasty, and the chicken smelled gorgeous when it's cooking. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. See you later guys, bye.